Okay, so I heard this really high pitched. It's like a humming sound. It really sounded like a trumpet. It was going on for almost like 5 minutes. That's my butterfly. Looking in my backyard. But yeah, it was like really, really weird. I don't know. I was like a minute too late right before it stopped when I tried to get my camera. But hopefully I'll capture something later if it happens again. I don't know, it's kind of weird. It's really loud. Let me know if you guys have heard anything else in North Bay. Any reviews about this really loud pitch? It could be me, I don't know. Could be the world, who knows. So do some research about this. And I'll let you guys know what this high-pitched humming was. It was pretty loud though. Alright, that's it for now. Bye!